Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all chats on ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open ChatGPT on your computer or on your mobile phone. And as you can see, I have opened the ChatGPT website and I'm going to show you how we can delete all chats on ChatGPT. So these are my chats on ChatGPT guys. I'm going to open up one of them. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can delete all chats on ChatGPT. If we want to delete it, we can go to the ChatGPT setting by clicking on our profile right here and then select settings. And here we can simply click on delete all to delete all chats on ChatGPT. Or actually, we can archive all chats as well. If you want to delete it, you just need to click on delete all like this and then click on confirm deletion. Okay, and after that, all the chats in ChatGPT will be removed, but it's still loading guys. As you can see, you just need to wait until all chats removed from the ChatGPT. As you can see now, all my chats have been deleted. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete all chats on ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!